In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create weekly report on Looker Studio. Let's walk through building a simple weekly report from a CSV file so you can repeat this process anytime new data comes in. First, open Looker Studio in your browser. You may still see references to Data Studio, but it's the same product. From the home screen, start a fresh canvas by choosing Create a Report. This opens a blank report and immediately asks where your data should come from. Select Connect to Data, and for this example, choose the CSV file upload option. This route is perfect when your data lives in a spreadsheet, export, or a system that gives you weekly CSVs. Before you proceed, make sure your CSV includes a clean date column and the metrics you want to summarize. A consistent date format like YMMDD helps Looker Studio recognize it automatically. Now you'll land in the upload flow. Head into Datasets, then into Files so you can point Looker Studio to your CSV. Click Add to prepare it, and then drag your data file into the upload area. After the file is processed, Looker Studio will show you a quick schema preview. If you see a date field marked as a date type, you're good to go. If not, you can adjust it in the data source later, but for now, let's continue and add the data to the report. Back in the report canvas, it's time to visualize. Click Add a chart and then choose the chart you want to start with, such as a time series to show trends across the week or a scorecard for quick totals. Place it on the canvas, and in the Properties panel, confirm the right dimension and metric are selected from your CSV. Next, add interactivity so your audience can focus on just the past week. Choose Add a Control and pick the Date Range control. Drop it near the top of the report so it's easy to find. With the control selected, open the date options and choose Auto Date Range. This lets you apply a rolling window like last 7 days or last week, depending on how you define your reporting period. Pick the option that matches your weekly cadence, then click Apply. Your charts will now filter to that time frame automatically, and the control makes it easy to adjust later without editing the report. At this point, you have a working weekly report powered by your CSV, a chart that highlights your key metrics, and a date control that keeps everything focused on the most recent week. Save your report, give it a clear title, and you're ready to share or revisit it each week with fresh data.